Good afternoon, class. This is Shay Klussman for APD2, Week 1, Class 1303. My request for proposal this week is on the KidCoder app, a tracking tool for childcare safety. It is specifically tailored to meet the needs of Little Wonders Daycare, a small company that watches up to 12 children at a time. Even though this app will be specifically tailored for Little Wonders Daycare and their branding, it will be easy to change it later on. The app template itself can be used over and over again just by changing out the features, the branding, and the simple layout options. Some of the application features are network handling, date spinners, orientation locks, childcare check-in and check-out functions. The database will be stored in the cloud so multiple devices can access it at the same time. It will be specifically built for this company's branding. It will have a special allergy tracking to ensure mealtime safety. It will have custom lists and cells. It will have camera functionality. It will have custom classes for all of the child data, and it will have a user default save setting that will be stored locally. One of the key features of this application will be the quick links that will be to all of the major resources needed by a child care facility, like poison control, child abuse hotlines, and missing children. The KidCoder app will provide a quick and efficient tracking system for the children within the facility. It will also provide a user-friendly interface with large buttons and familiar navigation. In addition to the normal tracking, the KidCoder app also provides the added security features of an internet-based filing system to support multiple devices, quick links for high-importance websites, and allergy tracking lists. In 2012, there are more than 10.9 million children under the age of 5 who attend some sort of daycare while the parent is at work. Another report was released in early 2013 that there were over 116,000 child care centers and nearly 150,000 registered in-home daycare facilities. Unfortunately, the majority of those 10.9 million children that need to be watched while the parents at work do not fall within the category of being watched by a center or another daycare facility. Some of the features that will benefit its user is a current splash screen showing the logo and company branding, a main navigation for quick and easy navigation, a child list with large custom cells showing the photo and name of every child. When you click on that child, it goes into the child information page, showing a larger photo, their name, and other pertinent information about that child. There's also a list for food allergies, so when preparing for meals, you can click on a food allergies list, and you can see everybody who is currently logged into your facility, and you know what not to cook or what to be aware of. The quick links is available from almost every page, with quick links for poison control, missing children, the local school, or the child abuse hotline. These features can come in handy and are usually one of the items that a person doesn't know off the top of their head in case of an emergency. User settings will cover everything from the simple things like local school numbers, user interface options, the data that will be stored locally versus online. Currently, this app is one of a kind, the closest thing on the market right now, in both the Android and Apple marketplace, are tracking tools for both in and out of both employees and children. The price range for these apps range from free for a light version to $40 for the full tracking. But none of these apps are customizable, have a quick links reference page, and do not emphasize on the importance of food allergies. Once this app is complete and delivered to Little Wonders Daycare, it will be easy to rebrand and reform the layout to match the needs of other facilities. Providing a single custom app is merely a stepping stone for greater things. While it is expected to take nearly 75 hours of both concept, design, wireframe, and coding time, the overall advantage of doing this custom project is that, at the end, I will have a template, the code, and everything needed for a working app to place on the market. Simply change out the branding, or even make that customizable by the user, can generate revenue in the long run. The KidCoder app is a much-needed tool and will find its place on any market. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to build this proposal for your custom app.